Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about near miss in our YouTube channel Safe Wish. So first we will try to understand that what is a near miss, what actually near miss means. So it is very clearly stated here in the definition that a near miss is an unplanned event that did not result in injury, illness or damage but had the potential to do so. Means it is having a potential to do any injury or illness or damage, but it didn't result for the same. If it would result into an injury illness, it would have become an accident. Also we called near miss as near hit or close call. Why focus on near miss? Why it is necessary that we should focus on near misses? Because near miss has not resulted in any injury, we should not focus on it. But no, it is necessary that we have to focus on near misses. There are some of the reasons which I have listed here, like it helps us to know the cause. Suppose if any near miss happens, so it will help us to understand that what was the cause behind it. It also helps to prevent recurrence before they become recordable or serious. Means it turns into an accident, so it helps to prevent in turning into an accident. The third one is that it helps to establish corrective actions, that what corrective actions you can take so that it doesn't result into a serious injury. It helps from as a part of a learning lessons from the near miss. It also helps to improve company safety culture and the statistical safety database of the organization. So we will also discuss here that what are some of the examples of near misses. First of all, here the two examples are very easy and you can easily find it in the industries, and even the first example is very relevant to our the area where we live. So the first example here is that equipment not tied down properly on the truck bed. Equipment is loose or it falls off without striking anything or anyone. So it is very common. Sometimes we see that the truck is being loaded by the some of the equipments and it is not properly tied down, and while it is moving from one location to another, due to some jerk it falls off from the bed of the truck, and but there was no one, or there was someone who was nearby to it but there was no any harm, so that is called as a near miss. The second one is backing up in a forklift without looking back and another employee passes behind without the operator aware. So means a forklift operator is reversing the forklift, and he didn't see that someone is passing from the back side, and but there was no any injury. There was it will be categorized as a near miss because there was no any injury. Yes, it is very important to investigate near misses. Near miss incidents must be investigated to know, to be reported and to be observed that what were the root cause and immediate causes. They are the four warnings of what can and might happen. Report near miss. So in most of the industries it is mandatory to report near misses, because near misses can be categorized as a low level, high level or moderate level. So according to that, the companies put a benchmark to report near misses. You can see that four of the points I have listed, that why it is important to report near miss. So reporting a near miss helps to establish and continue safe practices within the workplace. So it will reduce the chances of accident. The second one, information provided enables an employer to communicate facts, causes and corrective actions to all employees regarding near misses. The third one is that it provides valuable information to employees about how to prevent future accidents and injuries. And the fourth one is provides opportunity to improve the health safety environment of the operations. So this is why it is very important to report. So it was a very small topic, and I think there will be no any doubt, but If there is any questions related to this or related to any of the topic of HSC, that is health, safety and environment, please write in the comment box. And if you have liked this video, so you can like the video on my channel, and you can give us a good remarks, to for the encouragement, and you can share it to your team, to anyone who you think that the video is useful. So thank you so much for your time.